Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Reels not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook. Click on that and you need to update Facebook application. As you can see, my Facebook is updated. Then you need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. So once you are in settings, scroll down and go into the app management and click on app list. And here you need to search for the Facebook. Click on that. Here you can see different options. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here, and then you need to log in into your Facebook account. Once you log in, so you need to scroll down and you can easily find open video section and you can find reels here. So here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.